The Tecno Camon 20 Premier versus the Tecno Camon 20 Pro 5G. These two phones look almost identical. Even the specs are almost the same, but of course there are some differences. So in this video, I'm going to be comparing both phones right from the unboxing experience to design, to cameras, to software, to performance and everything to find out which one you should buy, the one that suits you best. So without wasting much time, let's dive right into it. My name is Yudi, I talk about tech. Let's shoot. Before we get into the unboxing, if you're new to our channel or you're not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe to our channel. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell right beside it so you get notified once we post new review videos just like this one. Now first, let's unbox the Tecno Camon 20 Pro 5G. Inside the box, we are first greeted with the phone. Next, we get the warranty card, a protective case. This one is actually of good quality. It protects the phone well. Next, we get a 33-watt charging brick, wired earphones, Type-C cable, and the SIM ejector tool. So for the Camon 20 Premier, we get almost exactly the same thing except for the charging brick. It's a 45-watt charging brick. So the Tecno Camon 20 Premier will charge faster. And as expected, it's more expensive. It is priced at 295,000 naira or $393, while the Tecno Camon 20 Pro 5G is 100,000 naira more affordable. It's 200,000 naira or $267. Before we go any further, let me clarify something. So Tecno launched 4 devices: the regular Camon 20, the Camon 20 Pro 4G, the Camon 20 Pro 5G, which is my personal favorite, and lastly the Tecno Camon 20 Premier. The phones I'll be comparing here in this video is not the Camon 20 Pro 4G, but is the 5G version. The 4G version has the MediaTek Helio G99 and the 5G has the Dimensity 8050 processor. So this video is a comparison between the Tecno Camon 20 Pro 5G and the Tecno Camon 20 Premier. Okay, let's get into it. Both the Camon 20 Premier and the Pro 5G are almost identical design-wise. It has a leather finish on the rear. Tecno calls it magic skin. It is smooth to the touch. The camera bump is made of ceramic material. It has that premium look and feel. Leather finish is actually my favorite on the phone, and it is also more durable as it wouldn't break. There are only 2 color options for both phones, black and sky blue. Taking a look at the camera bump, you'll notice a difference. They both have 3 rear cameras, but the Camon 20 Premier also has a laser focus, which helps with portrait pictures and videos. The frame on both phones are flat, so they can stand without any support. Now there are some differences in the external features between these phones, but first, to the right, we get the volume rockers and the power button. The fingerprint scanner is under the display. They both work very well. At the bottom of the Camon 20 Pro 5G, we get one of stereo speakers, the Type-C port, microphone, and the headphone jack. On the Camon 20 Premier, we also get one of stereo speakers, then the Type-C port, the microphone, and the dual SIM card slot. So there is no memory card slot or headphone jack on the Camon 20 Premier. To the right of the Camon 20 Pro 5G, we get the dual SIM plus memory card port. Now at the top of both phones, we get the second speaker grill. The display on both of these phones are exactly the same. They are both 6.67-inch AMOLED, 120Hz, 1080p display with a touch sampling rate of 360Hz and pixel density of 403. The display is very smooth and fast thanks to the high refresh and touch sampling rate. Both of these phones also support HDR10 content, so you get deeper blacks and sharper visuals if you are watching HDR content. Colors and contrast also look great. It also gets decently bright. You'll be able to use it under direct sunlight. This display is an 8 out of 10. For cameras, on the Camon 20 Premier, we get a 50 megapixel main sensor, a 108 megapixel ultra-wide, and a 2 megapixel depth camera. It's weird that the ultra-wide is now the one having way more megapixels than the main camera. On the Camon 20 Pro, we get a 64 megapixel main sensor, 2 megapixel macro and depth camera. Both phones have 32 megapixel selfie cameras. You can shoot up to 4K at 30 FPS on both devices. So I'm going to show you samples now so you can decide for yourself which one you prefer. Shots from both phones are really similar. Unless you are zooming in 10 times and comparing both pictures side to side, you can't really see any differences. Now, the only real difference I was able to pick out was when I was using the main camera to take portraits of myself. Colors are different, the skin tones in particular. The Camon 20 Premier has a green tint, while the Camon 20 Pro 5G is more natural. And surprisingly, the Camon 20 Pro 5G was actually sharper. You can tell when I zoom in. So I guess if you want better portraits, go for the Camon 20 Pro, but if you want ultra-wide shots, go for the Camon 20 Premier. The ultra-wide camera also works with macro shots on the Camon 20 Premier. On the Camon 20 Pro, it will go out of focus if you get too close, but on the Camon 20 camera, the video and the pictures are still in focus. Hey guys, so this is a selfie video comparison between the Tecno Camon 20 Pro and the Tecno Camon 20 Premier. I'm shooting in 1080p resolution at 30 frames per second, so let me know which one you prefer. Electronic image stabilization is turned on, so we shouldn't be too shaky. So which one do you prefer? I'm going to be taking this phone outdoors, but for now, let me know which one you prefer. Which one you prefer between the two? I think this one that I'm shaking right now looks better. Both of this phone looks so alike, it's hard to tell them apart. But I think this one looks better in my opinion. Who sent me to barb my hair? Yeah, so I have one cap. So which one do you prefer? We're now outdoors, still shooting in 1080p. Video stabilization is still turned on. Now both of them look identical. I can't tell the difference. Let me go down the stairs now. How is the stabilization? Looks good. Again, up the stairs. So let me know which one you prefer in the comments below. Okay, so this is rear facing video from the Camon 20 Pro and 20 Premier. Image stabilization is turned on. So let me know which one you prefer. For software, they are running on the same version, Android 13 on iOS 13. There are some bloatware apps, but as always, you can uninstall them easily. Now, both of these phones are powerful devices. They are both powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8050, a 6nm processor. They also both have 8GB of RAM, but 512GB of storage on the Camon 20 Premier and 256GB of storage on the Camon 20 Pro 5G. Now, for the time I had these phones, I did not experience any lag or stutter. Even when this battery was low, everything was fast and smooth. Opening apps and just moving around the interface is fluid. The Geekbench scores should give you an idea on how this phone performs. They both have 5000 mAh batteries, however the Camon 20 Premier charges faster with its 45W charger. The Camon 20 Pro has a 33W charger, which is also pretty fast. Now, looking at the Camon 20 Premier and the Camon 20 Pro 5G, what majorly separates them is the rear cameras, the amount of storage, and the charging speed. Basically, everything else between these two devices is the same. You can expect the same performance all round. Even the camera quality is comparable, and 33W fast charging is also pretty fast on the Camon 20 Pro 5G. In my opinion, the Camon 20 Pro 5G is much better value since it's way more affordable and it can pretty much do everything that the Camon 20 Premier can do, except maybe the ultra-wide camera. Hope this video helped you to make your choice. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this one. My name is Yudi, this is Yudi Shoes. Thank you so much for watching, and you'd see me in my next video.